Today we're doing our beauty room tour.
Hi, love. So today we are going to take a look at my beauty room. I asked in a previous video if you guys were interested in seeing. It's nothing special. It's a real small room, but I'm gonna let you guys have a look at it. So first and foremost, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and press pause on this video. Alright. Subscribe. And now that you are subscribed, make sure you tap the alert bell so that you won't miss a beat. You can always stay in tune and know when your girl is uploading videos, okay? Because I'm trying to get better. I was slacking. I'm trying to get better with, uploading more frequently. So that's what we're doing. So anyway, without further ado, let's check out this little space here, alright?
Before we enter the beauty room, we're going to take a look at this little sign. Rejoice in the possibilities of each new day. Welcome to my beauty room, y'all. So we're taking a look at this desk. This is a Ferrino desk that I ordered from Amazon. Cost me under $35, so it was a little over $30. I'll put the link in the description box for you. But this is the area where you'll see me film when I do like makeup tutorials, anything beauty related like that. Sometimes even something related to skincare, I will film on this side. So these are just all of my products. I have them separated, like all of the lipsticks together, the eyeshadows. These are the eyeshadows on the bottom. So they're kind of in order to where I can grab them and know where everything is. And I love this mirror. Hubby got that for me. He got that from Fry's, and it's so cool. You can turn the light on if you need extra light. So like when you're applying your makeup and you need to see what you're doing other than, trying to look at the camera. And then also you are able to turn on the fan. So if you're getting hot, it will help you cool off, which is very helpful when you're doing makeup and you really get into what you're doing. I got the little drawer right here, the little 2-drawer, it's like a little box there. I got that from Dollar Tree, so that was only $1. And here are all of my makeup brushes. It's a combination of different types of brushes, hair clips just to clip my hair out of the way, like when I'm doing everything, my makeup wipes. This little fan, I love it. It's USB, and I use that to when I put my spray and stuff on my face, it just helps dry it faster, especially when I'm filming, because it already takes forever sometimes. This is just equipment for like the router and everything. And then I love the little signs and stuff like that about the lashes and brows. They're so cute. This is where I keep all my pixie stuff, not all of it because I have quite a bit and it wouldn't all fit up here, but these are just some of the things that I got that are pretty much PR from Pixie Beauty. So I have them in here so I can include them when I do tutorials. And yeah, I got this shelf also from Amazon, and it is also Ferrino and also very affordable. I will put all of this stuff in the description box for you. Okay. So it's just, I don't have everything in here, but most of the things that I need for videos I put in here. It just really helps me. Like those are my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes, and it's one blush palette as well. And then that is highlighter from Hot Beauty. Here are some lashes. Gotta stay lash fabulous, and some more brushes and lippies. And then on the bottom there, we just have like a little contour and highlighting set. More eyeshadow palettes down here. And that's pretty much what I keep there. I might add more stuff or something in the future, reorganize it, but for now, that's what I have. And on this side, that's where I film when I do my wig reviews or let's talk discussions, anything of that nature. It just really helps me have everything in one location So yeah, that's I just kind of move the ring light over to wherever I'm filming. So if I'm filming on one side, I'll bring the ring light over to that side. But yeah, that's a little shelf right there. Oh, that liquor ain't mine, so I don't want to hear nobody ranting and carrying on. You see the little mask and everything like that. My family's from Louisiana, so those belong to one of my aunts, and I have it now. So anyway, here are more wigs that I have to review for you guys. And this is where I sit right there. I got that backdrop from Amazon, and I believe it was around 20. I'll put the information for that below as well. But this is the ring light, and I'll also include the information for the ring light for you. Everything that I have, I pretty much got it over time. But this is a stand, and I just use the little clamps. I have extra clamps to make it tighter so that it's not so wrinkled, and I use a steamer to straighten it. But that's my ring light, and this is also the camera that I use. And everything was affordable. This is where, like, I'm using this mirror if I'm styling my hair so that I can see what I'm doing. And then here is, once again, just showing you the area from a different angle so that you can see like the shelving and everything. Taking another look at the camera. So this camera right here, I got it very inexpensively. It was, I believe, less than $200, and I ordered it from Amazon. I already have a camera. It's a Nikon, and that camera, it does not allow me to see what I'm doing, and so I still use it like to do photos, and like I'm recording with that right now for this video. But this is the camera that I'm showing you that I got from Amazon, and it's actually a camcorder. I use that for my videos. It has like a remote so I can zoom in and out without having to get up and down. It's just so helpful with me having MG because like I get like extremely tired, and a lot of times I'll film more than one video in one day. So it's just very helpful, and like I said, it's affordable. I've gotten this stuff over time. I didn't just get everything at one time. So it just adds up, basically, over time. You don't have to, you can start with your phone. I started with my phone. Just over time I got this. This is just something temporary for now. Like I said, it's doing the job, getting it done. Less than $200. I love my little eyebrow sign up there. But yeah, you guys, this is just, I'm showing you all my little stuff again in order. So you can see how everything operates, and the camera will be on this end when I'm filming. This is an article from when hubby got back when he returned from Afghanistan. He served in the U.S. Army for a long time, and that's when the boys were little, and that's us, our little family. So that's very special to me. It keeps me motivated, keeps me going so I don't give up. And so I keep that up there. And that's our all-in-one printer. It's a brother. And it's okay. It's just the ink be running out all quick, and that can add up. But I'm just showing you again on the shelf. You can see that mask. It's like porcelain. So I keep it up there. I don't want nobody stepping on it and breaking it or anything. And the little owl. Say hello to my little friends. Y'all, do you see the mask? Yeah, and it has like feathers, like real feathers up there on the top of it. FYI, my fam is from Louisiana, and these are for creating flat lays.
Alrighty, lovelies, your girl is back. So, I hope you enjoyed the little mini tour. Wasn't a whole lot to see, but I hope that you were able to see what you are able to do on a budget. If you want to start your own YouTube channel, why not? I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just wanted you to see like where I usually am. So right now where I am is where I do my wig reviews. And then on the other side over there, that's where I sit and I do my makeup. And you guys see like the little marble wall. This one right here, this backdrop, I got from Amazon. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed y'all today. And I'm going to be seeing you really, really, really soon. And y'all be safe for the new year. And Happy New Year to everyone. 2020. Woo woo. I love you guys. See ya.